Welcome back to my channel. I'm Faith Amina. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We are turning this little side table into a bar cart, fully functioning. Okay, so we're going to get started with the wine rack holder. I got these off of Amazon, super easy to get. They were pretty inexpensive. I'll put the link down below. So I'm just measuring them out, trying to figure out where I want them to be. And so I have my drill with this bit that's in there, and that's just to help me open up the hole and to also help me measure out where I want my screws to go and where I really want this rack hanger to be. So I'm just drilling in the holes, placing it up, lining it up, real easy. I did it for 4 times because it's 2 racks and it's 1 at the top, or 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So we're just going to finish up drilling everything in there. Let me give you a little backstory on how I found this side table. I was walking home from dinner one day and I saw it and I was like, oh, that is a bar cart. I can see it right now. And that's why I took it home with me. And now we are here at the project. And I am struggling to put this, I'm struggling to put that in. I'm not sure why. But basically, I'm just checking to make sure that the wine glasses can actually fit. And they can. I'm super excited about that. Okay, so at first I wanted to just have like accents of gold. But do you see right there? I slightly messed it up, so I had to go down a little bit, and that's what I was going to do. I was going to go down here and just make it like, oh, this is how far it was supposed to be anyway. So as I'm doing the other side, you see it, I messed up the other side. Some of the spray paint got on the side that I just finished, completely messing up the whole thing. I don't know why I still try to save it, but I did. Can we just talk about this little outfit that I have on though, with my shoes and the whole little painters thing? I thought I was hot stuff, y'all. Like, I was like, can no spray paint get on my clothes? I'm cute. Ow, look at me. Check me out. I think that's when I decided to just give up and spray paint the whole thing. Yep, that's what I did. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna spray paint this whole thing gold, because I like the color gold. Now, we can't forget about the wheels. The wheels need to be spray painted gold as well. And that's what I'm doing here. After I sprayed the whole thing gold, I let it dry for like 20 minutes. Then I flipped it over, painted that gold. And then you see what I'm standing over now. That's the shelf in the bar cart. I had to spray paint that gold as well. So now that we got everything spray painted, I let that dry. Once I felt like it was dry, I brought it inside, and I had some leftover marble contact paper that I had from a project a long time ago. You can get this off of Amazon, super easy. I've even seen it in the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I'm not sure if they have the marble contact paper, but they do have different designs. So I would definitely check that out, especially because Amazon is moving a little bit slower these days, which is understandable. If you want something to do while you're in quarantine, you might want to venture out to one of those stores during your next grocery run. It's real easy to put on. It's like a sticker. You just place it down and you smooth it out. I have a smoother, but in the midst of moving, everything is not completely unpacked yet. I could not find it, so I just have this little book that I had from a birthday. Somebody gave it to me, and then you just go through and you cut off the excess pieces that you do not need. Easy, simple. So I'm just smoothing everything out, making sure it's all fitted, because I'm going back behind with my box cutter and I'm going to cut off, I think it was like an inch, not even an inch, of extra contact paper on the sides. So I had to go through really smoothly and take that off, as you see going here. I did that on one side, and then I did it on any other side that needed it as well. Alright, now here comes the fun part. We're going to decorate our bar cart. So I have some flowers, some fake flowers that I'm putting up, my shakers, and my ice container that has the drainer and the mixer in there. I have a decanter that I got from the thrift store a while back, and I never had a place to put it, and now it has a home on my bar cart. I have a leaf that I spray painted gold. I thought that would be a good accent. I think I might actually do some coasters like that. And then I also have this one book that is a bartender's guide. And now we're putting everything inside. So I have some wine that we're putting in for my friends who come over and they like red wine. And then I have this wine that my mom bought me that I'm not too fond of, but I'm gonna pawn it off on my friends, because they might like it whenever people are allowed to come back over to our house. I got these wine glasses that you see me putting in from World Market. They have a gold rim around it. I think that was a really cute accent to add with the bar cart. And then some other glasses that I got throughout the years. I'm just going to put those up. We have some mixed nuts for the bar, for if anybody who comes over, they can have something to munch on if I'm not cooking. My De Leon, that's the only tequila I really like. And then I put in some pineapple juices. These glasses that you see, I got from the dollar store, so it is not hard to get glasses, guys. Don't have to break the bank. And this is basically the end. I'm just going to style it, put everything back. And this is why I tell you guys that I love you from the bottom to the top. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, evening, morning, whenever. I hope this brought some joy to you or gave you an idea to do something during quarantine. And also, guys, we want to see more pictures of my bar cart. It's on my social media at Faith Amina TV.